Yep, was not English or any other language for that matter. I'm bored, but I'm also hungry because I haven't eaten yet today and it's like afternoon. And I told Russ that I want nachos because that sounds good, and we have cheese. He would just like put cheese on the chips and melt it. It's nachos, sure. Also, I need to pee. I gotta go pee now. And I gotta stop singing, yeah! This remote does, the only thing that works on it are the volume buttons. Such an old. Anyway, I gotta get up. Blah, blah, blah. I washed my face really good today, and then I put the moisturizer on it, and my face feels very smooth. Yeah, I did that this morning when I went to the bathroom for the first time. That was probably like 8 o'clock or something. I've been up since like 7:30, and this is what happens when I don't have things to do. Now we're supposed to go to Westside Woodman's to get flavor. Why that one? Because it's supposed to be on sale. We like a sale. I'm not sure when we're gonna go or even if we're gonna go, but in the meantime, I'm gonna put on something comfortable and go downstairs. I think I'll just reheat. I will have some Chinese food. Always a good choice. Eating leftovers. I gotta plug you in because you're at like 4% or something. So I'm gonna plug you in. Here we go. And I'm gonna sit here, you're gonna be here, and you're gonna charge. Okay? I'll see you in like an hour and a half or something. Hello. You see this box? It contains a vacuum. Not just any vacuum, a cordless vacuum. Not one I purchased. It was a Christmas gift. I shall open it now. I know, very exciting. I have a vacuum. Open. Let me take it all the way out. This is the main body. See how small it is? Quite lightweight. And I think this is the canister. Oh, it is. It's like this big. This canister. It would help if I take everything out and read the instructions and stuff like that, like a grown-up. I forgot I had a recording. I took the stuff out, but I don't feel like putting it together yet. So I gotta read the directions and all that jazz. Hello and good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's like 3 something. Getting out of the house. Why so late? Because.
Just because.
Because I have no reasons. Just cause. Sometimes life happens that way. Where you're just like, you know, I didn't feel like getting out of the house earlier. And now we're getting out of the house now. We have alternate parking. Which means, alternate side parking, which means on the, I forget what time. Huh?
When you come down, can you bring my watch down? It should be laying next to the tablet.
Okay.
On the auxiliary.
Yeah, I know where. Anyways, what was I saying? I don't even know now. Thanks a lot, Russ. Made me forget. Anyways, I gotta get some clothing on. I'm just gonna wear this shirt. It's just a shirt. I gotta put on socks and my shoes, and then we're gonna go to the West Side Walmart. Not Walmart. The West Side Women's. Russ reminded me, see, I thought he forgot. But he actually just shaved and showered, and now he's dressed and moving cars, and I was talking about alternate side parking. So tomorrow's the 31st, so you have to park on the odd side on odd days. So the 31st, and then it's the 1st. So does that mean we park on the same side for 2 days in a row? It does, actually. It's really not that difficult. Why do we do that? Well, normally we would have snow on the ground. And we would do it so that, aren't these cool colors? Purple and the pink. Anyway, we would do that so that the plows, when they come down, they'd be able to plow at least one side fully and have room to come on down the road and plow it out or whatever. Okay. 1 sock and 2 socks. These Temu socks, I'm telling you, they were really good. You get, I think I paid like $1.18 for 10 pairs of socks or something like that. They're really good socks. I like them a lot. Russ brushed my hair for a little while anyway. He didn't, because he's never brushed. He's never had long hair like mine to brush, like on his daughter or whatever, so, you know, he didn't brush his hair, or hair. Doesn't matter. Anyways, right. Shoes. Yes, shoes. And then it's time to go. I'll see you at Woodman's. I know I'm not at Woodman's, but my Temu package came today, and what did I order this time around? I got one of those, what do they call them? Exfoliating hair somethings or others. Anyways, I haven't shaved or neared my legs in a few months, so let's look at, yep, it's in there. I can feel it. So we'll look at this stuff later, because right now we're getting ready to go to Woodman's. It's my package. I think I got a shirt also, which I don't need. I need to get rid of things and not buy clothing. And Temu is taking advantage of me because I apparently have no control. Oh my gosh. I do have control. I just need to, you know, exhibit some self-control. It's called self-control because it's control of your motherfucking self. Is Russ fully charged? Yeah. He just got fully charged. Okay. Once he comes downstairs, we're gonna go. For reals this time. I'll see you later. JCPenney. Ooh, escalator. Going. Ooh, what are you doing? Are you blocking me? I think you're blocking me. Ew. The men's section is up here. We're here for a suit coat, suit jacket, a jacket suit. We don't know where anything is in here, because why? We don't ever shop in here, that's why. I got a hat on, my beanie with all the extra room. Why? I don't know. If I want to tuck my hair up, I guess. Who cares? Oops, gotta go. This is just silly. Look at this. It's just silly. Whose head is this big? Nobody's. I wonder what it looks like if I roll it up. Yeah, I picked a good spot. Russ is pumping gas. We went down to 0 on my gasometer. On 0 miles on the gasometer. And since I have a hybrid car, I'm assuming it kicked in like the here, we're gonna put it on like a sock. So roll up my socks kind of and go put my toes in. Let's imagine the top of my head is toes. How's that? I think it worked out. Yeah, just, I don't know. Let's try it actually like that. Like a Russian hat. What are those things, those Russian hats called with the flats? I don't have one of those, but I don't know what they're called. You see, that's Russ. He's right there pumping my gas. I get paranoid when you get low on gas. Mainly because, well, I've run out of gas before in my two vehicles that I owned previous to my Corolla. I owned a Chevy Cavalier. That was my first car. And then I owned a Sun Chicken. That was Russ calls it that. A Firebird. Pontiac Firebird. And then I own a Toyota Corolla. And now I own this car.
Say what?
Now I own this car. Now we're gonna go to the Walmart. We're not. We're gonna go to.
We're going to the zoo.
The Woodman's on the west side. Oh. Oh. West side Woodman's. Your entire face is clean. Why'd you do that?
I didn't shave it completely down.
No, but it's a lot. Look at your face. There's no, I can't grab nothing.
It'll grow back.
Oh, it better, Dave Nabbit. Yes, I am an adult. I can buy liquor. Look at all the Jim Beam on that side. Russ is looking for a whiskey. Couldn't find the wine he likes, but that's okay. I wanted to show you the classic lady. Ruichladic. I don't know how to say that, so maybe Ruichladic is the classic lady. The classic lady. I don't drink whiskey. I don't like it. Or brandy. Or bourbon. I like the frou-frou girly drinks. I'm sorry, I just do. Sorry, not sorry. He's gonna grab something that looks nice. Because you can't just go to somebody's house and be like, I'm here. You're welcome. Your gift is my presence. You're welcome. That's tacky. Okay.
Come back to that.
Hello, friends. You know, like, I can't remember her name now. Sophie, whatever her name is. We made a stop at Wingstop. These are fries, and they suck ass. I didn't want to eat them, so I didn't. Russ will eat them at some point. Just put them in the refrigerator. Oh, interesting. Check this out. Garlic, olive oil. It didn't look like this morning. It's all thick. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, it did not look like that this morning. Huh. get garlicky. I will have to do something with that, like tomorrow probably. Alright, so I wanted to open my Temu package. Alright, see this? So I learned that tomorrow's shindig, what is the thing we're calling? The New Year's thing is a fancy affair. I didn't know that. So I gotta wear a dress or some shit. This is not a dress, but tomorrow, being Sunday, you won't get to see the dress. So I'll pick it out tonight and I'll share with you what these scissors suck ass. Okay, we'll use the big scissors. Make sure I don't cut into what I purchased. Okay. Because again, they get wrapped like this in like a lot of tape. Seller tape, as some people call it. I mean, this is the shirt. And they come in the plastic like this. I really gotta pee, but Russ is going to poop right now. Okay. So this is it's an epilator, is what this is. It's supposed to like epilate, make your skin smooth. Alright, well anyways, this, oh, it feels nicer than the one other shirt. It has an odor, like plastic. Comes with the same kind of tank top that other one did, with the crisscross. So I own two of the same tank top. You know, like this in the front. I can hold it up proper. Okay. And then it's just this shirt, which feels much nicer than the other one I got, which is like also plaid, but it's not, this one's actual like through and through plaid, and it's got these big real wood buttons. This one's like better quality. The other one was polyester. This one is tagless. Oh, here we go. This one is also polyester, but it doesn't feel like cheap like the other one, you know, the pink and purple. So we'll just put this on. It's short sleeve, so I'll wear this one in like springtime. Oh, it's smaller. It doesn't even close. It would definitely be an open shirt, and that's how I would wear it anyway, but it's smaller. Did I not? I thought I got the 4X like the other one. It's not a stretchy material like the other one. Yeah, I got the 4XL on this one as well, and this one runs smaller. I think because of the material that it's made out of, but it feels, I like the material. It does fit, so it's fine, but it's just, I wonder if this would fit tighter than, shouldn't, it's the same as the other one. Anyway, I'll try this on some other time because I want to do it now, and I don't have to. Same 4X type thing. So I have two of the same tank top. I think this one might be a little bit bigger. Take it like this and you go to see, it'll be actually a little snug. Maybe. I do like that. That's how I measure my tank tops. You could also take the bottom This is wide. This is looser for sure. Okay, well anyways, now you see what I got from Temu. And we're gonna try out this Epilator and see if it removes the long hair that's on my legs. Like, I'm serious, the hair is long. Okay, so it's been like 6 minutes. Thanks for listening to me blabber on. Let's go upstairs. Meow. What a... Oh. Gotcha. There's the kitty. Look at the kitty. Look at her grumpy face. Oh, meow. And it's wet. Your face is wet, kitty. I'll put you down. All right, we are going to set up the vroom vroom, the vacuum. Oh, garbage everywhere. Garbage. Garbage, garbage. Okay. So I was trying to figure out, I was walking around the living room. I was trying to figure out where to plug it in at. So I gotta go behind the chair because what I want to do, this is the battery. Whoa, hello. This is the battery. Oh my gosh. Here's the battery. This is, and it plugs in with this. I took the twisty tie off already. Alright, and then we're gonna plug it in. It's a chair where the lamp is. Meow. And I'll plug that in back there, and we'll attach it to the wall. Where's the thing? Here it is. So this is like for the vacuum. This is the vacuum, and then it goes in here, and then it'll sit on the wall. It just sits on the wall. Just go shoop. And then it'll be on the wall, hanging on the wall like this. Okay, so the vacuum bit or the battery bit goes in here. It'll go like this. Yeah, just like that. And then if you take it off, push the button down, pull it out. And the plug goes on top too. So I could just leave this on like that. Plug the thing in like that, and plug her it in, hang it on the wall. Okay, so I think I'll have Russ do that part. So you could take this, and you can use it with, oh my gosh, let's not break it. Oh, the battery's already charged, amazing. So use it with just like this here, you can go, just pop that on, and this here, if you want it to be with the bristles, push the button down, slide it out, you got a bristle thing. Woo! Woo! That's this trigger button right here. Lock it out, push it back, lock it in, there we go. And then you also have this. You can go, you see this piece here goes into this piece here. I know, I'm way too excited. Sorry, this way around. This piece. This is the female end, this is the male end. And you stick it in like that. And then it's easy enough to turn on, I tell you. This doesn't seem right. Does that really just go on? Yeah, this piece don't click. It don't click. It just slide on like that. Just put it on. Okay, and then you have, so that's the longer piece, and then you have this piece goes on like this. Ta-da! I feel like this should be longer. Oh, it does extends very long. All right, I'm gonna vacuum my kitchen now. Check out this maneuverability. Watch, when I twist, it also twists. Go right up in there. Go left, twist, oh sorry Kitty. Twist it, look at that. Just suck it right up. Get in there. Suck it up. Collects in the canister. See all that? Woo! Look at me use my vacuum. Oh yeah. She can't hear it, but she knows it's on. Let's go vacuum the lid. Look at his shoes. Look at his shoes. They're dirty. Yeah. Let's vacuum. This is exciting to me. It's exciting to me. Alright. Woo! Okay. So anyways, it's exciting to me. Alright, I'm gonna finish vacuuming the kitchen. I might even vacuum the living room. Not sure how much battery power it's got, but I'm gonna do it. See what I get. Do not vacuum water or liquids. Isn't water a liquid? According to this, they're two separate things. Okay, so last thing I'm going to talk about my vacuum. The canister, we're going to empty it now. So you push, and then it opens. And there, the bottom opens, down it goes. Now, this does come, look at that, whoops, with a filter that I just dumped in the garbage. It comes with another filter. So I guess when you rinse this one off and let it sit to dry, you can use the other one. I have to read instructions on that, but there's cat hair and my hair all over the place there. It comes with a cleaning, where'd it go? This thing right here. Let me take the battery out. And there's lights here that will indicate how much charge is on the battery. It's fully charged, so that's cool. Came fully charged. So this thing is like got a hook for the brush, for this here. Like if you get hair stuck up in here, it comes with the hook, so you can like hook it out, and it comes with a little brush thing too, so you can get little dust particles and stuff out from all over the place. And yay, that's good. So yeah, this is my new vacuum. Okay, I have vacuumed my kitchen and my living room and the hallway and half the bathroom with a full charge of battery. And I don't even know if it was a full charge because I didn't plug it in to charge it first. So now it's dead and it's charging. It's on my wall. So now we're on to the next thing. This is an Epilator. It looks like this. On this side, it's a little wet because I got it wet. That's why. But it feels like grippy, like it's gonna rip. I don't think it will, but it says to use with warm water. So pants off. Now, I will show you my legs in a moment here. Take my pants off. Come on. Pants off. Pants on around. Alright. Alright. We're going to do this on the bathroom, what do you call this? Toilet seat. Okay, so check out how hairy my legs are. Do you see how hairy my legs are? Very hairy. Now, the instructions say to use with warm water. So I have got warm water on my rag here. And I'm going to put the warm water on my leg now. Okay. Warm water on my leg. See, here's my nice warm water on my hairy leg. Then it says, I know, everything's dirty, don't worry about it. It says to rub. So we'll see. It's supposed to take the hair off. Oh, I'm falling over. It appears to be working. You do this, and it exfoliates and takes the hair off. Oh, it's working. Look at that. Peeling up my skin, my dead skin. You're supposed to do this like, yeah, okay. I see. Look at it's making it, it's taking the hair off, and it's making it very smooth, very smooth. Very, very smooth. Okay. Yeah, let's do the rest. Wow. Okay, wow. Look, see, I missed right here, but the rest, do not use if you have sensitive skin. Look, I have some sensitive skin in this area, but that's okay. So it works. It really works. Look at that sensitive skin areas. Now, the instructions even say do not use on sensitive skin. It says you can use it on like armpits. Do not use on your face because, again, sensitive skin. I probably will test it out on my chin. I might. Not tomorrow, though, because I got, I don't want like a rash on my skin. And the instructions also say to moisturize afterwards, which you should anyway. Yeah, this thing works, and it's just as fast as shaving. Shaving might be a little bit faster, but this, if you have like, I get, what do they call that? Strawberry skin or something. I can see this being really beneficial. It's taking up, apparently I have a lot of dead skin because it is definitely getting rid of that. Yeah, so do not use on sensitive skin. Lotion after the use. I did get some bump areas like on my knees. Knees are a little difficult, but everywhere else is great. So you don't have to use a rag even. I filled the sink a little bit with water. You dip it in there, get this part wet, dip that in there, and then just rub back and forth, not in a circle, back and forth on your part of your body you want to get rid of the hair on. Back and forth, rinse it off, back and forth, and it is smooth. You can use the rag to like wipe your skin off. I would probably use this in the shower. It would take a little longer in the shower though, so maybe in like a bath, something like that. Yeah, definitely do not use on sensitive skin. My knees apparently are sensitive because I bleed a little bit. Bleeding a little bit. But yeah, that is definitely, this was worth the dollar something I paid for it. I'd pay more than that, but I had a coupon. Anyway, Epilator. Don't drop it. Yes, like I said, not for sensitive skin. And did I really just miss a hole? Oh no, I just have a scar. See that? Sensitive knee skin, apparently. But it is so smooth. Look, I got more sensitive skin down there, so be careful. Now I imagine that the more you use it, or the more often, the frequency that you use it will be better. Because, you know, when you use like a new razor or a new electric razor thing, also your skin adjusts. I don't have anything, kitty. Go away. So anyways, lotion. Hey guys. Oh, just, you know, don't fall down the stairs. I wanted to say that if you wanted to chat with me nicely, this is the battery indicator. See? Hello. Anyways, if you wanted to chat with me about nice things, not dirty, don't show me your dick. I don't care. If you want to chat with me or whatever, you can do that on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, I enjoy chatting, you know. Don't be mad if I don't answer right away, because, you know, I do have a life outside of the internet, even though I'm here most of the time. Anyway, yeah, I do enjoy, oh, look at all my gray hair. I enjoy chatting. I am tired for some reason, and it's not even like, I don't even know what time it is. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:40 p.m.
Oh, I guess it is later than I thought it was. I might go to bed. I was just upstairs. I should go to bed because I'm yawning now. My curls are so springy. Springy. I haven't put any product in today. Springy. Alright, well anyways, tomorrow is New Year's Eve. And since I don't have anything left to add for tonight, except, you know, again, you can chat with me if you want to chat. Just don't ask for pictures. Keep it, you know, nice. Keep it nice. I'm not going to send you pictures. You'll request something. I'm not doing shower routines. So don't ask. But, yeah. A nice conversation. I like a nice conversation. So anyways, I hope you have a great night. Like I said, tomorrow's Sunday. So I'll see you Monday. Toodles. I need